Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable editing on Google Sheets mobile. Okay, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and first of all, we can select a file we want to disable the editing, and I'm gonna go with this file. So we can just click on this three dots button on the file, then click on manage access. And then we're going to change the access, and as you can see right here, anyone on the internet with the link can edit this Google Sheets file. Then we're going to change it. Tap on this option. Then if you want to disable the editing, you can change from editor to viewer. You can choose select viewer. Then you can also change from anyone with the link to restricted mode. Click on restricted. Then just wait for a moment until the permission updated. Okay, and now as you can see that only people edit can open with the link, and I do not add people to this Google Sheets file, so I'm the only one who can edit this Google Sheets file. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable editing on Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.